Hi, in this video, we're going to look at the following main character. Do you know what Bruce Lee drank when he was training?
Water!
Water makes up 60% of our body, and we can only survive 3 to 4 days without it. The first ancient civilizations were formed near rivers. The flowing water meant good crops, easy transportation, and drinkable water. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the flowing water of a river. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means water. It is used in these words, 水果, which means fruit, and 水平, which means horizontal. Now that you know the main character, let's look at some other characters. This character used to symbolize a person swimming in the river. The little dot at the top is the person. But now, this character means forever, as things seem to float endlessly down a river. It is used in this word, yǒng yuán, which means forever. Let's see another character. This is the simplified version of today's main character. It also means water. As this came to mean forever, more water was added to restore the meaning of swimming. This character means swim. Let's keep swimming. Can you still see the main character? When water moves really fast and it's springing out of a fountain, it looks white. This character means fountain. Let's do one more. Can you find the main character? I'll give you a second. This character, fountain, has been simplified to what you see in this character. The added symbol that looks like a cliff actually means cliff. If you trace a river back to its original source, you may find a water fountain coming out of a cliff. This character means original. It is used in these words, yuán lai, which means original, and yuán liang, which means forgive. Now from here, if you just add the character for heart, you get a character that means wish. A wish is something that originates from the heart. It is used in this word, yuán wang, which means desire. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.